So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go ahead and pick all the ripe peppers from the pepper trees, and we're going to either freeze them for later use, or we're going to use them to make pepper sauce. And of course I'll be showing you that in a follow-up video. All right, so let's go pick it. It's actually tree number 1, and I've got about two ripe peppers from this tree. Let me show you them. Yes, these two right here was from that tree, and this one is actually tree number 2, and I've got this one from this tree. And I've noticed that there's a few peppers here that have been eaten, and I'm seeing a few snails here. Let me see if I can pull that up closer. Yes, so something is actually taking a feast out of this pepper. And this here is tree number 3. There's no ripe pepper on this one, but the other day I've actually found a caterpillar on there, and I had it removed. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out some other trees. This is tree number 4. I'm not seeing any peppers on this one. No peppers, no ripe, no green. Oh, here's one right there. Not sure if you can see that good. Yes, so that's one pepper, and there's another one hiding under there. So yes, there's pepper here, but no ripe pepper. So let's continue. Right, so that's tree number 5. There's a lot of pepper here, but no ripe pepper. Lot of peppers. The tree looking healthy. Yes, but no ripe peppers on this one. Alright, so this is tree number 6. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6. Okay, let's see what's going on for this one. I'm seeing a few green peppers, no ripe peppers on this one. This one have a lot of ripe peppers on it earlier on, but we actually picked these before. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out some other trees. Okay, so this is actually a chili tree, and if you notice, it's 2 of them here. There's a lot of ripe chili on these 2 trees, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick these. Quite an handful, and there's still a lot more on the tree. Still a lot more there. I haven't started as yet. Look at that. This one is loaded with pepper. Look at this one. This is actually a 3rd chili pepper tree, and I have 2 more Scotch bonnet pepper beside it here. There's another baby one coming up. I'm not sure what type of pepper that is, but we'll find out soon. Alright, so I'm just gonna pick some of these. I'm not gonna pick all of them because I have a lot now. So few of them. Yes. I don't know, guys, this is actually a lot of pepper. I'm gonna either use this to make a pepper chicken, or maybe I'm gonna make a pepper sauce, make some picker pepper, or just have them frozen to use whenever I want. But just in case, if I'm gonna make use them to make a recipe, anything special, I'll definitely upload the video. But I think I'm gonna actually make some pepper sauce or something, so that will be in the next video. All right. Yes.